Okay, so we've brought our video into Windows Movie Maker. We've recorded some audio or some narration, and I'm just going to remind ourselves of what that's like. Click play.
Narration. I'm a cup and I'm moving across the table and I'm about to stop. Oh my god, I've stopped.
Great, okay, and it automatically stops. So that's 4 seconds long. The next step is to add in some music. Now, unfortunately, you can't just import music and drag it down there. It just doesn't work in Windows Movie Maker. It's one of the main drawbacks of this software. So, what we have to do is export this, re-import it, and then we can add on music, okay? There are other ways of doing it, but it involves using new software, which just could be kind of confusing at the moment for you guys. So this is the best way we've figured out to do it at the moment. If you know another way that's easier, let me know. But for the moment, this is the only way I can do it. So what we're going to do is actually export this as a finished movie. Again, it's like the cake mix. This is the cake mixer. There's a video. There's a narration. We're going to export this as a finished movie onto our desktop. So, finished movie, save to my computer. Okay, the default name is Cup Animation Rough Cut 0001. I'm gonna call that Rough Cut No Music, so I know that's the one without music. Choose a place to save your movie. Sometimes it'll be just my videos or shared videos, so click on Browse, Desktop. Okay, so the name, destination, next. Best quality for playback on my computer recommended, yep, and click next. So that's exporting as we speak. I'm just going to play that back, make sure it's working.
I'm a cup and I'm moving across the table and I'm about to stop. Oh my god, I've stopped.
Okay, so let's have a look and make sure we can understand what we've just done there. So again, we're going to restore down or make your window a little bit smaller. See how it did that? Just click on that. Click on the blue bar on the top. Just left click and drag. So I'm going to move that over there. So I know I've just sent something to my desktop called Rough Cut Cup Animation Rough No Music. Okay. So what I need to do with this, first of all, I'm going to double left click.
Narration. I'm a cup and I'm moving across the table and I'm about to stop. Oh my god, I've stopped.
So that's playing in a program called Windows Media Player. That's a full video with everything mixed together, all the sound and all the pictures mixed together into one unit. What we're going to do now is let's go back to Windows Movie Maker. File, new project. Do you want to save changes? Yeah, whatever. New project. Automatically when you click new project, it says untitled here. So file, save project as. We're going to call this Cup Animation with Music. So I'm going to save this, not to my videos because I won't be able to find it. Desktop, Cup Animation with Music, save. And look at that, it's already saved there. So that's the actual project. So how you know you're working in a particular project, Cup Animation with Music, Cup Animation with Music is written up there. Okay, that's just in your collection, you can just ignore that. Just ignore it, absolutely ignore it, or click on it, select it and press the delete button, gets rid of it. So what we need to do is import some video import that video from our desktop. So it's a Cup Animation Rough Cut, no music. It's a WMV, so it's a Windows Media Audio Video file. Again, we can click and drag in, or the best way to do it is to import video. So click on import video, select your desktop. Now it was Cup Animation Rough Cut no music, wasn't it? Yeah. Click on import, and there you go. Double click.
I'm a cup and I'm moving across the table and I'm about to stop. Oh my god, I've stopped.
Great, okay, so what I've managed to do is bring this video back in. It's now got all the audio and video in one track essentially. And we put it back on our timeline, click play.
I'm a cup and I'm moving across the table and I'm about to stop. Oh my god, I've stopped.
Great, okay, that's fine. Now, you'll notice there's another, so, there's my video, there's my voiceover. It's broken it up again, but it's essentially all one unit. If you look down here, audio and music, so it's left me another track completely blank, just so we can put in music.